Listen, this is the real killer behind forklift accidents. People standing right beside the forklift. Most warehouses preach people-vehicle separation, but so many folks just won't listen. For the sake of work efficiency, they do other tasks near forklifts. That's not just risky. It's a total disrespect of your own life. You can't trust the forklift operator to never slip up. If danger shows up, it'll be too late to regret. And always keep in mind that your paycheck depends on a healthy body, so protect that first. 10x modern forklift solutions add safety barriers to enforce full people-vehicle separation and shield warehouse staff. And remember, when you're directing forklift movements, walking through forklift zones or watching forklift work, you must keep a safe distance from the forklift. Otherwise, a tragedy like this can happen.